Hello and welcome to a demonstration of our telephone recording system. Everything is recorded from a central server and every user will log in from the login manager on the desktop. You can log in via your own network or via the internet with a static IP address or a DNS name. Enter your username and password here. Then click Login. Here at the top you will see your telephone lines. Active calls are displayed in the channel area. You can listen to calls live by pressing the Start Monitoring button.
Just a quick question. You know the policy wording for Constantia. Obviously, when the clients take up their policies with you, then they send, I would think Constantia would have sent you a policy document or whatever.
When calls are finished, they are added to the list below. Calls are arranged by date and time, incoming, outgoing or missed calls, the duration, telephone number, clients' names, how many times the phone rang, which extension handled the call, user's name at that extension, channel used for the call, and if you want to make a note, you right-click on the entry and say Edit CDR file. These notes make it easier to search for specific calls over time. Press OK and the note is added. You can listen to a recording by simply double-clicking it.
Okay, De Villiers, good day.
Morning, Master Tracy, please.
You can email the recording by right-clicking on the entry and choosing Send to Email. Calls are recorded in an encrypted format but can be emailed in a normal voice file. You can download the recording to place in a client's folder by using the download function. Add a client's name to your phone book by using the right-click menu and choosing Add to Phone Book. Here the client's details can be added. If the client's number is in your address book, their name will automatically be added next to the call. To manage your phone book, go to the Phone Book menu. Here you can add new clients. You can also import an existing client phone list from Excel or Outlook. There are various ways to search for a recording. First, go to the Search menu. Here you can choose how far back you want to search for the recording, today, all the recordings, or between a certain period. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose the past 3 days and search for a specific number. After entering your criteria, press Enter for your search. Criteria can be searched and exported to Excel for administration purposes. To create different users, go to the User tab at the bottom. Here you can choose Add User. Create a name and password. Then choose what rights the user will have. For example, search, listen, and delete. At the extensions option, you can add the extensions the user is allowed to see, so only their own number, or you can create groups that they are allowed to see. Press right to create the user. Now I'll show you how I log in with a different user's details. Note that Leon can only see calls made from his extension. The function to delete calls is removed. But he can still add notes and play back calls. For maintenance purposes, everyone will be able to see how much RAM is being used, as well as how much CPU is being used, and finally how much hard drive space is available. Certain numbers and extensions can be excluded by the administrator not to be recorded. And this concludes our demonstration. Thank you so much for watching.